Hi, today we will teach you how to upgrade the Volkswagen Touareg. Firstly, we will remove the original car screen. Then unplug all the plugs on the back. Secondly, unscrew these 6 screws, remove the top storage box, and then dismantle the entire frame. Thirdly, separate the air outlet bracket from the iron bracket. And then unplug the button plug. Fourthly, we will remove the air outlet and buttons separately. And then install them on the new car radio. Now we start connecting the wires. This is a radio antenna. This is a GPS antenna. This is the video input cable. This is a USB transmission cable. This is RCA cable. Now we are connecting the Canbus box. Reconnect the communication serial port. Reconnect the power plug of the car radio again. Next, we will reconnect the button plug. Reconnect the original car radio plug. Reconnect the original car power plug. Finally, we will connect the audio plug. Now we will install the new car radio. The installation is now complete. As this car comes with a Canbus box, we need to set it up before using it for the first time. After setting up Canbus, it supports the original steering wheel buttons. Support door switch reminder. In addition, there are many other features to experience, including support for video playback, support map navigation, support FM/AM/RDS radio, support Bluetooth phone/Bluetooth music, support wireless CarPlay/Android Auto. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.